What is up, people? This is Wire Sachkan. In this video, I'll be talking about Bitcoin interest. Now, this is kind of a new Bitcoin fork, and I wish I invested in Bitcoin interest before it was listed on any major cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, let's go through the site first. So, Bitcoin interest is a competitive staking cryptocurrency focused on three key areas: technology, community, and savings. Our blockchain has new integrated savings technology that allows our users to safely park their coins and earn interest payments without ever moving coins from their wallets. So, one can say that this acts as a fixed deposit in a bank, in which the bank pays you a certain amount of the percentage of the money that you are holding in the bank. Now, let's look at the calculator. So, how much can I earn? So, I just took an example of 1000 Bitcoin interest coins, and I'll stake them weekly. So, by that, I can be making about 5.4 BCI coins per week by just keeping them there. And the way that I work, I don't trade any of my cryptos, they are all just in hold mode. Hence, this would be beneficial for someone like me and people like me who just hold their coins. Now, there are two options: weekly as well as monthly. Now, these values do keep on changing from time to time, depending on the number of coins that are staked in weekly or monthly. Let's move forward and let's see. Start receiving Bitcoin interest repayments. Simply register your wallet address, the amount of Bitcoin interest coins it contains, to begin receiving weekly and monthly payments. So I'll show this page in the later part of this video. Next, how the payments work. So they use what they call an enhanced proof of work type of coin using Equihash algorithm. But we all know that Equihash is now going to be dominated, or is being dominated, by ASICs, by Bitmain. And hence, I think this will be changing with the help of POW program from the group known as If Def Else. And from what I hear, they're already working with BCI to implement this on this coin. So how this works is that as each block is mined, it makes about 13.5 BCI coins, out of which one BCI coin is sent to the interest pool. And what this one BCI coin does is that this coin will be used to pay out the users who are staking the coins. What are the risks? Unlike other interest payment platforms, this requires you to send the coins to them. Bitcoin interest is a fully decentralized interest payment platform. They'll never ask you to send the coins anyway. And hence, what this means is that you are the owner of your own coin. You won't be sending it anywhere, and you will have full access to it. With the advanced interest technology, you can hold your coins at your own in your own wallet, and receive interest payments directly in your wallet with absolutely no risk. You will never be required to trust your coin holdings with anyone again. So it's basically the same thing that I said before. The person in charge of the wallet is in charge of his coins as well. Now, the places where you can buy Bitcoin interest coins. So Bitfinex is one. It is one of the major markets. Then Octex, X-Rates, Foobit, Trades Satoshi, and HitBTC. HitBTC, they will be launching it in a few days or a couple of weeks' times, as the payments have been paid. Now, there were a few speculations around Bitcoin interest. One of the biggest issue that people had was that uh, a few Bitcoin interest coins were pre-mined. So about 1.3 million Bitcoin interest coins were pre-mined. And I talked personally to Aaron Mathis and Pekka L, and they confirmed that they did pre-mine it. But the thing is that they don't have much of it left. Why? Because to get the coins over at the exchanges charge a fee. And looking at the price of the coin, 1.3 million isn't going to be much. So almost all of it has been used to get the platform up and running, as well as paying the exchanges to get it up. So as its equihash, the miners that you'll be using would be DSTM Zcash or EWPF Zcash or Bminer for NVIDIA. And on AMD side, you can use Claymore Zcash and other miners as well. So as for the pools, the official pool is the Bitcoin interest pool, bci-server.com. The other pools are Supernova, Altpool Standard, and Altpool Solo. NiceHash 2, I think, jumps on the BCI network and screws it up as usual. As for the team, I'm too new in crypto to be committing on any of them. But I know Pekka, and he is a good guy, and I would trust him. Hence, I'm making this video. Now, this is the blockchain explorer for BCI. As you can see, the blocks are being mined at a steady pace. Just add in your wallet address over here and it would show you the whole account page, the whole page, which shows you the amount of transactions, the number of coins that you're holding, and so on. Now let's go to my bitcoininterest.io. Now the first thing that you'll see is that it'll ask you to log in. After you log in, this is the page that you'll see. I haven't staked anything, but if you want to stake, you'll just have to add these few things and it'll be done. Over here, you'll just add your name and all. The calculator is the same as before. If you add the amount, it'll just show you the earnings that you'll make, the ROI percentage, and the potential pool earning percentage. So as we did before, 1,000, and this is what you'll make for the entire month or entire week. Next, the wallet. So the way to create the wallet is that you'll just enter your email address and the password, and that would create you the wallet. It's as simple as that. Now you can use the other wallets as well. Electrum, I think, has support for BCI and hence can be used. So you can change your password or anything else. There's also a referral program, but I won't be going into this. Now, looking at CoinMarketCap, the price is quite low right now. That is $4.68. But if you look at the graph, just a day or two ago, it was at about almost $9. Yeah, it tipped $9.24, which is quite good for a coin like this. If you can see the pump, it started from about $3 to $4 or the upper $3 and jumped up till 9 and started decreasing from there. So these kinds of coins, I like these. Now, if you look at the markets, Bitfinex is at the top, followed by trades Satoshi, X-Rates, and then Octex. Bitfinex holds or trades more than 99% of all the BCI coins, and hence it is going to be used more. I'll just be waiting for HitBTC to jump into this, and then we can see some good market movements and a good potential increase in price. So that sums up my view on Bitcoin interest. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, dislike it, subscribe to the channel, share it, go through my other videos, click on the notification bell, and see you next time. Ta-da!